Hi, for my project, I have a rock and a mineral that I want to share with the class. My first mineral, or my only mineral that I'm focusing on for today, is a quartz, clear quartz. As you can see, the luster is pretty waxy. It's not very, it's clear, you could see through it, but it's not, very shiny, I'd say, or completely just transparent. It is pretty foggy and waxy. Um, this can come in a lot of different colors, though. I have a different variety of it here, an amethyst. So this isn't the same kind of quartz; it's a different variety of quartz. And this is an example of just kind of what it can come in. This is more of like a purple color, I guess. Um, but yeah, so quartz can come in just a variety of colors, but we're not focusing on this one. We're focusing on this. It has fracture. It does not have cleavage. So there's that. It grows hexagonically when it comes out. But yeah, so I do when you streak this on a streak plate, it has a white streak. You can't really see anything, but when it's powdered, it is white. I have a tiny piece of glass here that I could find that I wanted to try out the hardness on. So I'm gonna try that out really fast on this side right here. And yeah, so you can see that it was able to scratch this glass, which does show that it has a hardness more than at least glass 5.5. So it does, it is a pretty hard mineral. But besides that, let's move on to my rock, which is lapis lazuli. It also has fracture, does not have cleavage. So this is it's a bit polished. This version I have is gifted to me from a friend, but it does not have fracture. It's pretty, the texture is almost sandy where it's broken on the inside, but where it's been a little more polished right here, it is pretty smooth. The luster is also pretty dull, but there are pieces of pyrite in lapis lazuli, so that does give it kind of a shimmer. Kind of a shimmer. I want you to be able to see it. The actual rock itself is pretty dull, as you can see right there. If you were to streak this, it would have a blue streak, obviously. The blue really sets it apart. It's a really pretty rock. They used to use it as pigmentation in either makeup or paint. So yeah, it is a pretty soft rock. I'm going to try it out on the other side of this glass and see if it can scratch it. So as you can see, wasn't really able to leave anything on there. I was scratching it right here, so yeah. Does not have, it's not a very hard rock. It has a hardness less than 5.5 or 5. So there is lapis lazuli. So that is my rock that I also wanted to share. So thank you.